to Scratch Game Development at UCode. I'm excited to see you here and to work with you on developing your Scratch coding skills. My name's Christy, and I'm going to be your instructor for this course. You ready to get started? Let's code. For this course, you're going to be coding in the Scratch Online Editor. An editor is a place where we write our code. You will learn to build your own working projects in Scratch, tips on how to improve it, and debugging. Click the blue Scratch tile on the UCode Online Classroom, which will take you to the Scratch registration page. Create an account by clicking Join Scratch. It's on the top right of your screen. Use your UCode username and password when creating your Scratch account. You can always pause the video and ask your instructor or parent for help if you're having any difficulties. Once you create your account, and click on the Create button in the top left corner to start your first Scratch project. Now, you have a Scratch account. Let's do a quick tour of Scratch. The puzzle piece blocks on the left of the screen are the commands. Commands are tasks that the program does when you run your code. You drag and drop these commands into the scripts area. To run or execute your program, simply click on the command block once. Easy, huh? On the right side of your screen, you'll see a picture of a cat. Now this is called a sprite. A sprite is a character that you can control using commands. There are two ways to move your sprite. We're going to learn both in this lesson. To move the sprite in the direction it's facing, use the Move Steps command and indicate the number of steps you want the sprite to take. Drag the block to the scripts area and click on it once to run or execute your program. Cool. Now you go ahead and try it. Can you move your sprite 10 steps? What if we wanted to move our sprite backwards? To go backwards while still facing the same direction, you can move a negative number of steps. Here, the sprite is moving backwards -10 steps. All right, now you try. Can you move your sprite backwards 10 steps? There you go, pretty easy, right? Hey, great job. I'll see you again in the next lesson where we'll learn more about commands to move our sprite.